Hello friends, if you are trying to download Discover mobile app, but you got an error, your device is not compatible with this version. So what is the reason behind this error, and what is the solution of this error? So let's get started. The error: the device is not available with this the sorry, your device is not compatible with this device usually means your phone or tablet does not meet the requirement set by the app developer. Okay. So if your device is simply too old to receive the necessary updates, unfortunately you may not be able to download that specific app. So you need to replace your device or mobile or tablet with the latest feature. Okay. So but you can try some methods for this error. Okay. First is go to your setting and look for system or software updates. Check for and check for and install any if any available update. Okay. And this is often the quickest fix. And the second method is go to the app and listing page on the store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the exact minimum requirement for the app. They may be able to explain the specific reason of your device by your device is blocked. Okay. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.